Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution, keeping your devices alive for days. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single PowerCore charge, perfect for travel, long commutes, or busy days. What makes this power bank stand out is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently optimizing charge speed for your specific device. No more slow charging. Power IQ ensures you get the fastest, safest charge every time, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or tablet. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, sharing power with a friend or powering your phone and tablet at once. This isn't just a battery pack, it's peace of mind, eliminating the dreaded low battery anxiety that plagues modern life. Anker's reputation for superior build quality and reliability means this 20,000 mAh charger is a smart investment in your tech arsenal. If you're looking for the best portable power solution for 2025, you absolutely need to check this out. Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore and never run out of juice again. Seriously, for anyone needing reliable, fast, and high-capacity portable charging, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is my top recommendation.